Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a YouTube link to your Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube to look for a video that you want to feature in your Instagram story. So let me just choose this one, and then I'm gonna click the three dots below the thumbnail, select share, and select copy link. Then head over to your Instagram app and then create a story by swiping your screen to the right. And you may take a video or a photo, but you can also choose a photo or a video from your camera roll. And to add the link, just click the smiley icon at the top of your screen and then select link. And here, just paste the link that you copied a while ago and select done. And feel free to edit the link sticker, resize it, move it around, it's up to you. And once you're satisfied, just share your story to your friends. And that's how you can easily add the YouTube link to your Instagram story. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!